Today's modern vehicles are known for safety and comfort. Among the many reasons is a little button that indicates the vehicle is equipped with an electronic parking brake, or EPB. It doesn't take up a lot of space, but EPBs have many advantages compared to a traditional cable-operated parking brake. Extra space in the cabin, no regular adjustments, easy parking brake application with just a simple push of a button. Those are immediate benefits, but don't forget about the safety side with hill start assist, automatic release and engagement, and greater holding power. Due to these types of features that are made possible by EPBs, they are increasingly common in today's vehicles. The brake force in an EPB is generated by a DC motor, also known as an actuator, or motor gear unit, which in most applications is incorporated into the brake caliper. Due to the sealed nature of these systems, they have proven their reliability, but they can require service over time due to normal wear and tear, an occasional electrical malfunction, or actuator overheating in extreme situations. The three primary signs of an EPB malfunction are warning messages on the instrument cluster, whistling or clicking sounds coming from the rear calipers, and delayed brake response. When a brake caliper with an integrated EPB needs replacing, only a caliper of OE quality will ensure a high quality, long-lasting repair, not only with the normal hydraulic function of the braking system, but with the EPB as well. Advic's Ultra Premium Brake Caliper and EPB Actuator Kit assemblies are always new, OE quality calipers with no core returns required. They are fully compliant with OE design and manufacturing standards to ensure a perfect fit, and from production processes to corrosion protection and appearance to precision machining, they are identical to the originals. From the bleeder screws to the pistons, each component of these new calipers is OE level quality, meaning the brake system and all related safety systems will function together exactly as intended for ultimate peace of mind. Advix is one of the largest OE caliper manufacturers in the world, with Ultra Premium Brake Caliper and EPB Actuator Kit assemblies currently available for select Toyota and Lexus models made at their factory in Japan, on the same line where the OE parts are made.